Joe from the AZ Westside Wheelers here. Yep, we're back at Anything Offroad. Come down here. We needed a little bit of fine tuning done to Monstro, and these guys are the place to bring it. I don't take my vehicle in very many places. My Jeep doesn't see very many mechanics, but these guys actually showed me on previous things that I've seen that they have the ability to do stuff right, and that's what I wanted. So we brought our Jeep down here to Anything Offroad. They got some bump stops installed, fine-tuned a couple things. Feels great. So if you guys are out in Havasu, come on down. They are at 2770 Sweetwater. These guys are awesome. Come check them out. Okay.
That's his office. Mostly just all the boat stuff.
Right.
Jeff's office. And then just install this door so we can park. Say you get a full Razor build. When you come to pick it up and pay, you'll be sitting with your Razor in the showroom. Same with this door. It's missing because we've got another door that's going there. Another one of these. So this is shock work and finish work. Cars that get all the suspension ripped off go in here for powder coat.
And you guys do full service shock work?
Yes.
Like
Tuning, rebuild, parts.
Gotcha.
Pretty much anything that happens with shocks.
Nice.
So, like this Can-Am right here just got all the suspension powder coated, the cage, pretty much an entire build on it. So it was in here yesterday, being finished.
Nice.
So we use this room for wiring and all that stuff.
Okay.
And then back room, Jeep, truck, quick installs. This lift, this is the Can-Am that was just in here. We got a few more things to wire up on it, and it's going home today.
Nice. Powder coat's insane on that thing.
Yeah, so two-stage powder coat. They do, on the suspension, they do a blue, and then they do a flake clear coat. A silver flake clear coat. And then exact same thing with the cage. The cage is silver, and then they do a clear coat flake on that as well.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And then custom, he wanted it to look like a sand rail.
Okay.
So it's actually got a curved windshield on it.
Oh.
The whole front is actually curved.
Oh, wow.
So we built the whole frame. Have the last guy actually find a radius that's similar, and takes it out of a truck, cuts it down to fit into our frame.
Full-on custom work, man. You guys do amazing with your custom work.
Roof rack. This is like a design that's on the sand rail.
Right.
So kind of copy that look on it.
Heck yeah.
All the powder coat. Shock therapy springs.
Right.
There's a big difference between your house beer and the new house beer at Bino's. Yours comes in cans.
And then these doors are actually, Geyser makes these doors. And we did the scallop on them. So we did the body work to make it look like his sand rail.
Okay.
So we bought the doors already made and then added the features,
The customness to it.
to make it look like this.
Yeah.
Spare tire will go back here. He's getting new whips put on, lighted whips, and then built-in chase bar to the wing. So that's going to have your running lights, your brake lights, and your amber.
Right.
All in the back there, along with your radio and your whips and all your fancies.
Nice. So you guys not only do, like full-on custom work, you guys do like what you guys did for me today, just little tiny part installs, little modifying here and there.
Yeah, like this guy, he's just getting a clutch installed.
Okay. So basic mechanic work up to full custom.
Yep.
Nice.
Yeah, from putting a clutch on to putting different axles and coilovers and
Yeah, I saw you guys made the custom 4-link setup for it and everything.
and then
Yeah,
this
that's
side
full custom
this
shop
side
right there.
Fabrication, storage. They do some service over here as well. Oil changes. We're getting the lift, we got the concrete drilled, cut out, and put a 2-foot slab in the concrete so that we can install our lift and get this working for service. This will be oil changes, motor pulling, rebuilds, transmissions, diffs, all of that. All our fab tools, not really organized yet since we're still kind of setting up.
Yeah, we caught you guys before your open house even,
Yep.
so.
Finger brake, stomp shear, rollers, bigger brakes, cutters, drills, all of that for all the fab work.
Right.
It's done. Sand rails, full back half, making all new back half of it.
That's what I grew up in. I grew up on sand rails. I was probably about 8 years old. That was the first stick shift I learned to drive.
Yep.
4-seater sand rail.
Another sand rail, getting some fab work done. We just got another sand rail just left yesterday. I-beam or bug beam suspension front end on it. On the last one, it got a whole new beam. It was trying to rip the beam out of the frame.
Those tires are huge.
Yeah, those are going on a 89 Trooper.
What are those, 40s?
Yep.
Dang it.
Over in the corner, he's got a brand new LS, a 2020 LS motor, and Rock Chalk 70s.
Okay.
So he's got
Not even playing around.
Yep, Rock Chalk 70s front rear going in the Trooper with an LS in it, and it's going to be turboed. That motor is going to put a turbo on it.
Wow.
So
Yeah, that sounds
we're just
fun.
gathering his parts for now. We don't want the car until we have everything.
Yeah, there's no point in having it clutter you up until then.
Yeah, he's trying to sell some shocks. The shocks that he got were a little too big for his project.
Oh, okay.
They came off a 1-ton Dodge pickup. So that weighs a little more. He's going to get a little smaller of a shock, more something like this.
Right. Yeah,
Right.
because that's tiny.
Rather than, yeah. Well, here's what came off. I'll pull that out and show you the difference.
Holy cow. I can see it over there. That thing is huge.
They're full on racing shocks here. It's got 1-inch shafts, 4.0.
Wow.
Yeah,
You
that
see the
thing's
difference
a
there?
monster.
It's a 4-tube sway away.
Wow.
4.0, and then those are the coilovers that came off too. 3.0, 16-inch coilovers.
Jiminy Christmas. Yeah, those things are crazy big. Wow.
So
Nice.
Heck of a build.
this side will just be mostly fabrication and service. We'll set up service over here in the corner. Get you in and out with your oil changes, your diff services, your transmission services, tire swaps, pretty much everything that you would need to maintain your side-by-sides.
Right.
The other side would be if a Jeep needed oil change or any of the fluids changed, that would be in the other side there.
What are your hours of operations? You guys open Monday through Friday?
Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. Saturday, 9 to 3.
9 to 3 on Saturday. That's
So
awesome.
The back operation will be closed Saturday.
Right.
Front is there for pickup, drop off, buying clothes or whatever you need.
Gotcha. That's awesome. Well, I'll tell you what, we've spent most of the day here with these guys. It's been an amazing time getting to check out all the cool stuff they're building in here. And these guys did a killer job on Monstro. In and out, done, easy peasy. So, you guys come check these guys out. Anything Off-Road. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. They do good stuff.